Hello. Yeah, you're welcome to this very short tutorial on how to manage our church resource page. So when you get a link, and I'm usually Kings Church Gillingham.com/WP login, as you can see on this particular page. And then when you do that, you will enter the username and password. And I'll provide the password for you, but this is the username. All right. Click on login, and that takes you into the main page. So we're waiting for that to load in. So when it brings you here, you come on in here into pages, and under pages you scroll down to R. You sorted alphabetically, and you come to edit with Divi. So when this page loads up, it shows you typically what you see even from the front end. Although this is a back end and you can modify the pages in there. So to make things easier for you, you should just scroll down to the last uploaded content, and you want to click on it, and then you use this third button, duplicate role, duplicate the role. Now it gives you two of that. Now you can edit this to suit whatever thing you want it to suit. So in this contest, I'm just going to pop into the church Gmail and look for a discussion guide. So this discussion guide has been sent to me, and I could download it off. I'll say look safe, and I can add it to my drive. Yeah, and put it in the discussion guide folder. Move it in there, and then I can open it. Yeah, open the file. When you open the file, you can proofread or read through, skim through it. But the first thing we want to take from this is number one, the title of the message. Here I will remove this preposition. I would use sentence case for this title, which is what we have been using, and I'll copy this. So this replaces the title we've got here. So to replace the title, you need to just click on, I'll close this and do it again so you can see that clearly. This is the duplicated content. You click on this and it comes up with this wheel, and you click on the settings wheel. You click on the settings wheel, and then you can edit the title and then the, remember I've copied it, and then you paste it in there. And the dates for this sermon, you can check your calendar and confirm the date, and that will be Sunday the 21st, since the last one is 14th. So you put in here 21st of July. So right, for the intro, I would easily say you should pick on the icebreaker. You copy it, and then you use that for your intro. Replace that also with this. As soon as you fill that in, it is updated there. And the last thing, which is most important, is the discussion guide itself. Now, how do you get this discussion guide onto this platform? We could use Google Drive directly, but we're not using that. So what we're doing at the moment is to upload it on the website, which we may eventually stop doing so as not to overload the website. So I'll come to the Google Doc, and then I will, sorry about the noise, I'll go to file and then download as PDF. Now it's downloaded as PDF. You go to the website, you can duplicate this by right clicking and clicking on duplicate. When you duplicate the tab, it will take you to exactly where you were on. The reason is because I want to go to the gallery page where I can upload files and more. So this will take me here, and I come to media and I say add new file. Add new file. All I need to do is to just drag and drop this, and then that is uploaded, and it creates a URL. Copy URL to clipboard. Then copy URL to clipboard. Highlight the discussion guide thing and click on this insert edit link. When you click on this insert edit link, paste the new link that you'll see the file name towards the end of it, and then it ends with the extension PDF. So say okay, and then click on the green button to save that. The last part is to update the YouTube source. So you go to the church YouTube channel. When you get to the church YouTube channel, you look for the service that we're talking about. So if you're doing that from your YouTube page, you just say Kings Church Gillingham. When you click on that, it will take you to the last sermon. You can pick either of the services for as long as there is no problem with any of them. So click on this. You don't need to you don't need to play everything. You can just fast forward it to where the message started from, which is like after this. Yeah, this is where the message started from. And you click on share. When you click on share, come to embed, and then say start at 31:59 where you fast forwarded to, and say copy. This will make any user who is viewing it from the website start listening to the message directly. So now the code that we have copied, click on this and come to the settings again. You'll see that there will be a code this thing there. Copy all and delete, and then paste your new code. After then, click on green. You'll see that you now have the new thumbnail, which will lead you to the listing. So to save everything you've done, click on this and then click on save. And now I can categorically say that you have done the job. If I come down here and then I log out of the back end and refresh, you see that I've been I'll log out, and then now I've been genuinely logged out. I'll visit the website itself as a user, not as an admin now, so I don't see the back end. So you go to resources, and what you see is that the content you've uploaded is now visible. So that is how you manage the resources page. Sorry about the noise. I'm giving care to my child. So thank you for joining me, and God bless you. If you have any question, please drop it in the comments or reach out to me directly. Bye bye.